Hello children, hope you all are fine and safe at home. I am Srilata, your computer teacher. This is your textbook, KIPS publication, Logix. Let's start with the new lesson, lesson number 1, a computer system. What is a computer system? A computer is a useful machine that is used in almost every sphere of life. We can play games, write letters, draw pictures, listen to music, store information, solve sums, etc. on a computer. It can work very fast and can do many jobs at the same time. Use of computers in different fields. You have computers in offices, space research, defense, hospitals, banks, airport. It is also used for designing and also used for animated movies. What do you mean by hardware? Hardware. The physical parts of a computer that we can touch or feel are called hardware. In a computer, we can see only those parts of the hardware that are outside. Example, monitor, keyboard, mouse, etc. They are attached to the CPU by cables. Some parts of hardware are inside the CPU. Example, hard disk, CPU chips, etc. Now, what are the main parts of a computer? A computer has 4 main parts. Those are monitor, CPU, keyboard and mouse. That helps in performing the IPO cycle. What do you mean by IPO cycle? Input process output cycle is called a IPO cycle. So when you instruct or enter data through keyboard, the CPU processes the data and the result is shown on the monitor. This whole process is called as the IPO cycle. Now coming to the next topic, that is the monitor. What is a monitor? A monitor looks like a TV screen. It displays the work that we do on a computer. It also displays the movement of the mouse pointer on the screen. A monitor is also known as VDU, Visual Display Unit. The information that we see on a monitor is called soft copy. Different types of monitors: CRT monitor, LCD monitor, LED monitor. What is CRT monitor? Cathode ray tube. CRT monitors contain a vacuum tube and bigger in size and consume more power. LCD monitor, liquid crystal display. LCD monitor has a flat type of screen. It consumes less power. LED, light emitting diode. These monitors have better display. These are thinner and lighter in weight. LED monitors use 40% less power than LCDs and last longer. These monitors are in maximum use today. CPU. CPU, the full form of CPU is Central Processing Unit. It is the brain of the computer that processes all the instructions given to the computer. It solves all calculations and displays the result on the monitor. It also stores a lot of information. CPU. A CPU is made up of 3 main parts. They are MU, CU and ALU. What do you mean by MU? Memory unit. In this unit, we can store data and instructions which are to be processed and are then passed on to the ALU or CU. What is CU? CU is control unit. The control unit controls and manages the working of all the parts of a computer. What is ALU? Arithmetic and logic unit. This unit performs all arithmetic calculations like addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. It also performs all logical operations. Next, coming to keyboard. A keyboard is used to type data and instructions into the computer. The commonly used keyboard has 104 keys which can be divided into many groups based on their functions. Now let us see the different types of keys. Typing Alphanumeric keys, control keys, function keys, navigation keys, numeric keys. Coming to the first type of keys, typing keys. These keys include letters, alphabet keys, numbers, number keys, punctuation like full stop, comma, semicolon, colon, quotations and special symbol, plus, minus, dollar, etc. keys. These keys also include the shift, caps lock, backspace and the tab keys. Now coming to the control keys. These keys are either used alone or in combination with other keys to perform certain actions. Control, Alt, Windows lock key and the escape key are also the various examples of control keys. Function keys. These are used to perform specific tasks. These keys are placed on the top of the row of the keyboard and are labeled as F1 to F12. These keys have different functions in different programs. Numeric keypad. The numeric keypad consists of number keys from 0 to 9, the arithmetic operations and the decimal points similar to the keys of a calculator. It is placed on the right side of the keyboard and is used for entering numbers at a fast speed. Now coming to navigation keys. These keys are used to move through the documents or web pages and editing the text. These keys include arrow keys. These keys are used to move the cursor on the screen. Home moves the cursor to the beginning of the line. End moves the cursor to the end of a line. Page up moves the cursor or page up by one screen. Page down moves the cursor or page down by one screen. Delete erases the character after the cursor or the selected text. Insert turn the insert mode on or off. Mouse. A mouse is a pointing device. It is connected to the CPU by a cable. A mouse usually has two buttons on it. It is used to point, select and move any object on the screen. Okay children, let's end the session here and continue next week. Thank you.